Math contest problem number 15. Congruences, modulo. The problem is, find the remainder when 67 raised to 2020 minus 4 is divided by 63. If m is a positive integer and m divides a minus b, then we say that a is congruent to b, modulo m. And in symbol, a is congruent to b, modulo m. If a is not congruent to b, modulo m, we write this symbol. For instance, 26 is congruent to 1 modulo 5 since 5 divides 26 minus 1. Or 26 minus 1, which is 25, is divisible by 5. But 12 is not congruent to 1 modulo 5 since 5 doesn't divide 12 minus 1. Now going back to the problem, find the remainder when 67 raised to 2020 minus 4 is divided by 63. Now going back to the problem, find the remainder when 67 raised to 2020 minus 4 is divided by 63. Since 67 is congruent to 4 modulo 63, we have 67 raised to 3 is congruent to 4 raised to 3. But of course 4 raised to 3, when you expand that, that will be congruent to 1 modulo 63. Note that 2020 is equal to 3 times 673 plus 1. Also, 67 raised to 3 times 673 is equal to 1 raised to 673 is congruent to 1 modulo 63. Therefore, 67 raised to 2020 is equal to 67 raised to 3 times 673 times 67, which is congruent to 4 modulo 63. And 67 raised to 2020 minus 4, of course, is congruent to 0 modulo 63. Thus, the remainder is 0.